We're Joey and Tasha, and for the past year, this 2004 Sprinter van has been our tiny home.
We've been traveling all over the U.S. making friends and experiences. This is our channel, Project Vagrant. On our channel, we share our van life experience, tips, and tricks with you. Today I wanted to talk to you guys about doing maintenance on the road and share how much money we've saved by doing it ourselves. Over the past year and a half, we've put quite a bit of work into our 17-year-old Sprinter van. We've replaced I've got to look at a list. We've replaced the crankshaft sensor, 2 oil changes with new filters, cabin and engine air filters, the fuel filter, shocks and struts, lower control arms, inner and outer tie rods, and most recently we replaced the camshaft sensor, our fan clutch, and we MacGyvered our turbo hose that split on our way to the camp we're at now actually. I found dealership quotes online for all these jobs to sum up about how much money we've saved. So far in parts, we've spent about $1,186, but in labor, we've saved $4,626 by doing all the work ourselves. Now, I do want to say that this is compared to a dealership maintenance rate, which is higher than like a mechanic or an independent shop. Compared to those, we've probably saved closer to $2,500 to $3,000, which is still a lot of money. I just wanted to make this video to show others how much money they could save if they did their own work. Please let us know in the comments if you'd like a video of me going over how I learned to do our own repairs, how we save money on parts and tools, where we do our maintenance at, etc. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and we'll catch you on the next one. See ya.